Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is IwantCHIME, aka Chime, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get these beautiful brows right here. And if you'd like to know how to do that, stay tuned. But before you even do that, don't go anywhere. Just wait 1 second. I need you to take a second real quick. I need you to comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification, because if you don't have the notifications on, you won't get none of my beautiful content. Why can't I speak? It's content. Easy. Enjoy.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive.
Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen in the intro, today we're going to be doing these beautiful purple brows. I haven't done a voiceover in a very long time, so y'all are going to have to bear with me. The first product that I started off with today is the Salon Perfect Eyebrow Gel. I'm now going in with the Revlon Colorstay Eyeliner in the color 207 Amethyst, and I'm going to basically be using this purple color as my base. So with this look, I'm kind of going for a gradient effect. So I wanted to ombre from the beginning to the tail end. And so the color that I'm going in with right now is MK's Auto Eyeliner in the color AA24 Persian Blue. And I'm using this to make my tails darker. And to add a little pop of color, I'm going to go in with the MK Auto Lip Liner in the color AA36 Dark Orchid. And I am basically adding this to the front of my brows. And then I'm going to use a spoolie brush to blend everything in. Next, my favorite go-to product is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I use this for everything. My foundation, my brows, literally everything. I color correct with it. But the color that I'm using for my brows today is going to be the color Fawn. And I'm going to use that on the top part of my lids, so my brow bones and the top part of my eyebrows. And then I'm kind of leaving the tail end on the top of my brows kind of open for another color, because I feel that this way, this method blends well with my skin. So this is the second color that I'm going in with. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. And this is the color that I use for my foundation. I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. Foundation brush to kind of pat everything in, not really blending, but kind of pat everything in and make it an even tone. By using the applicator from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I don't have to go in with a angled brush. I can just use the applicator and get really close to my brows, and then go in with this foundation brush to make everything even. And then I will go in with my e.l.f. spoolie brush to really blend everything in. So I almost forgot, for my eyelids, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. Basically, this is going to be the primer, and I'm using a stippling brush to basically blend all of that in. And now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to fill in all those extra spaces. Basically like a foundation for my foundation, also using the stippling brush to fill that in or blend it out. Next, I'm going to be using my spoolie brush, and the reason why I do this is because sometimes when you use the concealer, you overdraw your brows, and by brushing those back out, you basically like make that line more precise and make everything more clean. Now, to seal my brows in and all those extra hairs in place, I'm going back in with that Salon Perfect Eyebrow Gel that I used at the very beginning. Pause. I know you're looking like, what the heck is going on here? Well, if you would like to see the completed look on how I do my eyeshadow and my full foundation, go ahead and stay tuned for the next video coming up right after this. I really do hope that you like this video. Like, these brows, they weren't that difficult. They're pretty easy, as you've seen. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, turn on the notifications, do all that good YouTube stuff. And yeah, I will see y'all later. Chime in next time. Bye.